Okay, ready to hear how to have $1,000 show? That's my job. My job is to coach you. So first of all, it's all about attendance. It's a numbers game. We don't know who needs a wedding gift or a baby shower gift or a birthday gift for somebody, a Mother's Day, Father's Day, weddings, graduations, you name it. We have all kinds of products from about $2 up to hundreds of dollars, and I would say over 80% of our catalog is under the $35 mark. So there's something in there for everyone. So don't discriminate about who you invite. It takes about 150 people invited to a group for a third of them, 50, to actually show up in the group. And of the 50 who show up in your group, only a third of those are going to actually purchase something from your party. We've done hundreds of thousands of shows over the last couple of years, and those numbers, between a third and a quarter of the people that we invite actually will purchase. So who do you invite? You're going to invite your friends, family, neighbors, relatives, coworkers, those people that are closest to you. And once you invite them, do it in an individual text or Facebook message or email. And I will send you an image on how you can do that right from your show link. Don't do group chats. People hate them, and if they're working, they're going to get, their phones will blow up all day long. They'll get upset. We want this to be fun. We want it to be like we're hanging out, having a glass of wine, and having a party together, right? So what else makes a successful $1,000 show? Well, having people engage. You and I are friends on Facebook, so you're going to see a lot of what I post. Your friends are not friends with me on Facebook, so Facebook is going to choke those posts if nobody comments on it. So people always ask me for more recipes, but when the recipe posts happen, nobody says anything about it. So when people start to comment, the filter opens up and more people will see it. And then if those people comment, Facebook will say, okay, this is content that people want to see. So it's your job as the host to comment on everything you see. Now that does not mean that you need to be in the party all day long. It means first thing in the morning, post one image, whether it's a product of yours from your kitchen, which I prefer. If you've got something Pampered Chef, take a couple pictures now, have it ready on your camera roll, ready to put into the party when we start, and then post one photo a day. It'll take you 5 seconds in the morning. Your friends want to see what you have and what you recommend. And then at night, when you're sitting down, grab a drink, get on Facebook, and engage with your friends. Make sure that you tag them as well. So if you see a post that's about vegetables and you know somebody is a vegetarian, you might be like, oh, Kathy, did you see this post? This looks like something you would have. When you tag your friends, you're friends with them, they'll get notification, they'll come into the party, and they'll scroll. Okay, last tip. When you have a couple of friends, best friend, mother, sister, whatever, that's willing to also be a plant in the party, a plant to comment on everything, that is really super helpful. It needs somebody to get started with the chatting. So if you could do that, if you could ask 2 of your friends if they would be willing to be plants in the party and to just post something, comment, and engage, that would be great. Be sure to send them a recipe cookbook. So you can send a 3-way chat with me so I know who those plants are. I'll give them their recipe, and if they don't have any Pampered Chef, I can give them some games or something to post, just so it doesn't seem like I'm the only one in there. So let's make this fun, and let's get you to the $1,000 mark and get you 240 free, 5 half-price items, and some 60% off bonus